All right, let's finish up our look at how to organize DxO Photolab. And if we look to the right over here, we see at the upper right-hand corner this thing with a star on it. Now, forget for a moment that this is up here, and let's come down and look at each one of these functions. And the white balance has this little star, color accentuation, exposure compensation. They all have this little star beside them, okay? Now, this is a little bit of a shortcut about how to get your favorite controls to come up whenever you're working on an image. And there's many reasons why you don't want to rely on this specific way to do things, especially if you have more than one person using the program on a regular basis. So let's take a look at how this works. Now, when you come up to white balance and click on the star, it of course means that this is one of your favorites. Let's go down here to this one, and let's go to this one, and then just for no particular reason, let's do the denoising. We already have smart lighting. We already have color accentuation on there. And let's put HSL, and let's also put local adjustments. And I'm just arbitrarily clicking on stars to show you how this functions. Now, once these stars are activated on each individual function, when you come up here and click on this big star up here, notice how all of the favorites are grouped at the top for easy access. And so that's what the stars mean. And of course, obviously, it's a very easy way to group everything together the way that you want it. If we click on this tab right here for color, and if we click on this tab for brightness adjustments, and then go back to this, we still come up. So we click on it, and all the favorite palettes are grouped together. That's pretty cool. Now I'm going to come down here, and I'm going to find an image that we've done some work on. And this is the one right here. And obviously we've darkened it a little bit, boosted the color saturation, and so on. Now, what this means is that this image was adjusted several months ago, yet no matter when we come back to it, if you come up to the upper right-hand corner again, disconnect the favorites, and then click on Active Corrections, then we will see displayed all of the functions that were used to adjust this image, which is very, very cool. Even though it doesn't have a star beside it, if you click on this, that automatically means that all of the functions that were used to adjust this image appear at the top for immediate access for readjustment if you decide you want to do that. Now, one thing we haven't looked at is this right here, and if we put in the word color, then all of the functions that have color in them will come up. Brightness, nothing specifically comes up, but if we say curve, then there's the curve dialog box. So you can search for different adjustments just by entering that search term at the very top. And so now we've finished our look at how to organize the workspace. In our next lesson, let's take a look at how this toolbar up here works. It's very, very simple, very straightforward. I don't think you'll find this the least bit confusing. So next, we'll take a look at the toolbar in DxO Photolab.